Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again at euro currency. So in general, our thoughts concerning the week performance on the euro currency last on previous week now is confirmed with this downward action. So in weekend we said that we do not like this performance and suggest that probably some another downside action, some dive should happen before euro will get chances to change the direction. It doesn't mean that it has to happen, but at least everything was looking so that some significant downward action should happen first, and then maybe something could change. Right now, so by the way, here's on this downward action that we discussed, actually it has become the reversal bar. So you can see here some different colors. So here, as you can see, that market has created new top compared to the previous session and dropped and closed below its levels on Friday, so yesterday. So it was reversal, some acceleration, downside action. Now market stands at the 50% support thrusting action. By taking a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, I do not see something really special. So here is definitely we have the acceleration. Flag pattern has worked really nice. Grabber has worked nice. So market is stuck right now inside of the confidence, but current performance and recent drops suggest that it could move slightly lower. So in the current situation, I would keep an eye on 107.75 support. This is what we have on the technical. Of course, everybody understands that we are coming to the Fed statement that will happen tomorrow, and hardly we will see any significant activity on the market prior to the statement from the Fed, because now we're coming to some culmination moment. Everybody anticipate that rate should be changed only in September, although and everybody wait for some comments from the Jerome Powell, but at least somewhere in the mind some investors start thinking about the possible wild card, so that the Fed could try to cut the rate in July. This is, as you know, personally my suggestion. If I would be the head of the Fed, I am seriously thinking about this by the many reasons. As I said, this timing of this moment, the moment that inflation right now stands at a low level. I do not know what will happen in September. If it will tick up, it will be much more difficult to assure investors that we need to cut the rate, and that could start looking like the panic that we're coming to recession. So from any point of view, currently the July month, especially this is the end of the July, it's really great moment to do this. And many investors right now, somewhere in the back of the mind, keep this idea. So theoretically, some hopes exist that this could happen. That, as you understand, could drastically change the direction and make a really serious impact on the performance of the euro as well. So the one thing that we are talking about on technical side, but another thing is you understand what will happen in reality tomorrow. Still, in a very short-term perspective, today and maybe tomorrow morning, I think that we just could keep an eye on this target, which is because market has completed OP. This is our choppy action that we didn't like, as you remember. Market collapsed, and it stands really slightly above the XOP target, which is 107.86, and which is actually makes an agreement with the major 618 support. In the current circumstances, I think that this level easily could be reached before the Fed meeting, and that will be logical point in a downward action. So we will get an agreement and completion in the XOP. So if you keep right now a short position, think about something to do around this level. So when it will be reached, definitely you should do something with your position, various stop orders and so on. Finally, a very interesting moment right now stands with the performance on the euro currency, as you can see, and performance on the 10-year bonds. Let's take a look just the recent week. We talked about these hand shorts and said, well, it seems that dollar could rise a bit, and the market is forming some reversal background on the yields. But take a look what really has happened. The yields has dropped significantly, and that has happened together with the rising United States dollar. So this is clear indicator of some running into the safety, some searching for safety on the market. A recent rally, by the way, in the gold market that we saw, it's also maybe from the same reason. So currently, that's why in the current circumstances, I think it makes no sense to prepare some really extended and long-term forecasts. I think just let's focus on the nearest standing target. The market will complete it, and then, by the way, will be the Fed meeting. After that, we will decide what to do next.